workflow rules to automate repetitive steps like sending emails when stages change or converting leads automatically. This saves time and keeps your team consistent. For more complex process, use Blueprint to enforce the correct sequence of actions. And with dashboard, you can track win rates, deal stages, and conversion metrics that truly match your customized process. By customizing your lead stages and deal pipelines, you build a structured sales system that easy to follow and improve over time. Start by mapping your sales process on paper and then bring it to life in Zoho CRM.